So for this problem, we're asked to find the definite integral from 0 to pi over 2, maybe a little hard to read that, but that's pi over 2, of sine of t minus cosine of t dt. So again, we're just going to find the antiderivative of that part right there. It's going to be negative cosine of t. For this one, remember that the derivative of sine of t is cosine of t, and the derivative of cosine of t is negative sine of t. So we have a sine of t here, which tells us that the antiderivative is going to be negative cosine of t. And then minus sine of t, because we have a negative cosine here. The antiderivative of a positive cosine is going to be positive sine, but since it's negative, there's a negative there. We're going to evaluate that from 0 to pi over 2. So we have negative cosine of pi over 2 minus sine of pi over 2 minus negative cosine of 0 minus sine of 0. Okay, so we know the sine of 0 is 0, and we know that the cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So we're just left with two terms here. So it's going to be negative sine of pi over 2 plus, because there's a negative sign here and a negative sign here, so they're going to multiply to be positive, plus cosine of 0, which is going to give us negative 1 plus 1. So it's equal to 0, and that's the answer to our definite integral.